How to transfer money from GCash to Maya. Okay, ito po ay step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from GCash to Maya wallet. And malalaman natin dito if how long does it take to receive money from GCash to Maya and how much yung fee or charge. Okay, i-open ko muna tong Maya account and as you can see, ang aking Maya wallet ay 8 pesos lang yung laman. Okay, to transfer money, first is open the GCash app and log in to your account. At dito sa home screen ni GCash, itap mo lang tong transfer option. Then may pagpipilian dito if bank transfer locally or internationally. I-select mo tong local at scroll down mo lang. And then dito sa pinakababa, piliin mo tong tatlong dots icon to view all. And scroll down mo ulit at hanapin mo yung Maya Philippines or Maya wallet. And kapag hindi mo pa makita, pwede mo namang i-search dito. Ang lalabas dito ay dalawang Maya. Piliin mo tong Maya Philippines or Maya wallet. And then, i-fill out mo ang lahat ng mga to. Yung amount na gusto mong i-transfer sa Maya, the maximum amount is 50,000 pesos. Make sure lang na hindi lalampas ang available balance mo plus yung 15 pesos charge. Okay, so gusto kong ilipat ay 6,000 pesos. And maglagay ka ng account name ng pagpapasahan mo sa Maya. And maximum of 50 characters. And then yung Maya account number or ito yung Maya mobile number. Next is maglagay ka ng iyong email address. Ito naman ay optional. Kung gusto mo lang naman makatanggap ng email receipt sa iyong nilagay na email address. Then, itap mo na tong send money. And then, i-double check mo yung account name, account number, email address, at yung amount. At yung fee ay 15 pesos. And ang total amount na babawasin sa GCash ay 6,015 pesos. Okay, then, if tama naman lahat, itap mo na tong box for the confirmation. At itap mo tong pay 6,015 pesos. May 6-digit authentication code sent to your mobile number. At kapag natanggap mo yung code or OTP ay piyahin mo yan at ilagay mo dito. Okay, and then itap mo tong submit. So, ayan guys, bank transfer completed. At nagbawas na ng 6,015 pesos sa GCash wallet. At makikita mo sa inbox yung bank transfer status. Okay, kapag ni-open naman yung Maya wallet ay makikita dito na i-cash in na yung 6,000 pesos from GCash. And seconds lang or wala pa pong 1 minute ay natanggap ko na po agad sa aking Maya account. So, ganun lang po kadali mag-transfer money from GCash to Maya. Okay, so I hope na nakatulong itong video sa inyo. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.